You have noodles? Are those noodles, sweetheart? You like noodles, huh? Bless you, Scotty.
Thank you,
Yeah. Is that delicious? I don't think Kitty wants your noodles. Or he might. Oh, psych. Are you teasing the kitty with your noodle? Oh no. This could be bad trouble. Are you sharing with the kitty? No? Are you teasing the kitty? I don't think Kitty wants it, honey. That's for you.